The first step is to open Cetec ERP and click the Admin module. Click Maintenance. Click Custom Form Builder. Click Create New to start generating your new custom form. Specify an object type. For this video, we're going to select ToolMaintSchedule from the drop-down. Select ToolMaintSchedule. Next, you'll need to enter a form name in this field here. Now, start building your form. Input a name for the first field. Label your new field in the custom form. Select which type of field you want to implement. There are many options to select via the drop-down. You can enter options for the type, radio buttons, just make sure they're separated by a semicolon. Once you've completed building out the field, click the blue Add button. Under Layout, you can now see the new field. You can generate as many fields as you need in this same manner. Once you've added all the fields you want, represented in the Layout column, click the orange Create Form button. Scroll up and you'll see the new form has been generated and is ready to use. To edit your custom form, you just click Submit on the Custom Form Builder report. Scroll down to the newly created custom form and click the Edit or pencil icon. Find the field you want to make changes to, and click the blue Edit button. Make the required changes under the Build Form column to the field, and click the orange Update Form button. You'll receive a success alert stating the custom form template has been updated. To add the custom form to your tool maintenance process, head over to your tools. First, click the Production module. Click the Tools drop-down. Click Tool List. Click Submit on the Tools List report to populate the list of tools. Scroll down and click into any of your asset hash hyperlinks to redirect to the tool object. You add the custom form via the Edit page of the tool object. Click Edit on the left-hand navigation menu. Scroll down to the Maintenance Schedule subsection, and click the drop-down arrow under the Form Template column to populate your custom forms. Scroll down and select the newly generated custom form. Click Update to process that change, and now every time that tool goes through maintenance, it'll use the custom form. Tool data successfully updated, and is now using the new custom form when performing maintenance. Let's check out how the new custom tool maintenance form looks. Click the Tools drop-down under the Production module. Click Tool List. Click Submit to populate your tools list. Select a tool by clicking the ID number hyperlink. Scroll down and click the Perform hyperlink under Maintenance Schedule. You can see now when you perform maintenance on your tools, the customized items are available during maintenance. Here is the Pass/Fail option that was generated. Here is the second field, Text, that was generated, allowing you to input text. Here is the third field that was generated, as a checkbox. Here was the final customized option that was generated, and selected as a required field, hence the asterisk.